Wife cake. Yeah.
Welcome everybody to the Foo. As you can see, I forgot to turn the microphone on for the intro, so you forgive me a bit. I'm still new to this vlogging stuff. I've got you covered though with a little voiceover action, right? So today I'm on my way to Mudu Water Town in the central East China province of Jiangsu. Mudu is near the ancient city of Suzhou, which is quite famous for its gardens and rivers, and Mudu is a water town similar to Suzhou. It's actually said that in the 13th century, Marco Polo called Suzhou the Venice of the East, right? Fun fact, there are actually 42 cities in Asia that have been called the Venice of the East, including 9 other Chinese cities. So at some point, we'll have to take a look to see just how Venice-like Suzhou really is. For this trip, I was invited and sponsored by the local Mudu Tourism Board. And as such, I'm going to focus on this ancient water town for my next video. This video is all about my train travel to Mudu and the fun Chinese travel can be. I'm going to extend my stay after my sponsored time in Mudu, at my expense of course, to take in a few sites in ancient Suzhou, which I'm going to share in a follow-up video. So make sure to become a member of the Foo family by hitting that subscribe button. Alright, onto the train I go.
Well, I made it on the train finally. We're on our way to Suzhou. The train's a bit tight today. I've got a lot of stuff that I brought with me, so it's a little tighter than usual, but it's okay. I'm gonna just lay her at 27 hours. What? Yeah, 27 hours on the train. Oh well. Just gotta chill out, relax. Let me show you. There we are. Everybody having some fun. All right, I'm gonna show a few clips outside. So sometimes in China you find foods that have the wrong English translations, or just really interesting English translations. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you one of those right now. Wife cake. Yeah, I have no clue what it is. I'll find out and let you know. I'll put something in, below. Just look down there. It'll say what it is. Let's go ahead and try it, huh? Shall we? It's almost like a dumpling smell, like a fried dumpling. I don't know how else to explain it. Fried dumpling. Kind of has that look. I don't know. Kind of sweet, maybe. I don't know. Let's give it a try. I'm gonna break it open. Looks like maybe there's something in the middle, like sweet, maybe. Wife cake. Wipes are sweet, right? Only in the middle. All right. Yeah. It's kind of chewy. A bit soft, chewy. Sweet, a little sweet. It's not so sweet though. It's certainly not candy-like, but maybe that's honey or something in there. It's really hard to explain, but it's kind of gelatiny, but it's thick gelatin, cooked certainly, and then just some bread around it. I guess here's kind of. I'm gonna try to see if you can see that there. All right. So it's pretty good though. It's funny because it smells like a jiaozi, like a dumpling. But it doesn't taste like it at all. All right, back to your usual programming. Now it's over, so we're not too far away. About 7 hours away from our final destination in Suzhou. Alright, so I'm going to show you a few things. I'm going to show you just I'm going to walk a little bit around the old train, and then I'm going to go to the restroom. Show you that scary little thing. Bye-bye. Here we go. Hot water. Gotta have the hot water for the noodles. Oh, looks like this is in between trains. Somebody's cleaning something over here. Let's take a look. So here it is. Not so bad. Not so bad. You stand there, you gotta hold on to there while you use it. First, let's take a walk through here. See people hanging around the sides here. Having a good old time. All these, there's 6 bunks in each section. Place for luggage. And here's my seat today. Now, if you want to take a train in China and you want the full experience, like the real deal, you're gonna have to eat certain food. You're definitely gonna have to eat certain food. And the one specific food is what I recommend the most. That is, you're right, bucket noodles. That's right. So I'm going to show you how I make my bucket noodles. First of all, you take out the wrapping, you know, and then you peel the lid. So I'll do that. Whoa. So here, let's. They wrap them really well in plastic, and then you just rip off the lid. See that? And what you see. Ooh, you get a fork. Yeah, in China you get a fork. It bends. So that you make your fork. You get 3 packets. You get like a meaty, like a saucy thing. This one sucks because you can't ever get it all out. And then you get like like if you get ramen in the States or whatever, this is like the powder flavor. Then here's like I don't know, assorted meats and dried meats and vegetables and whatever else. They taste interesting, so whatever. And then it's just literally a bucket there, and you fill it with water. There's a line here, and you fill it to that line. You can see that. So let me go ahead and do that right now. I'll be back. Filled it with water. So then I'm going to start off with this. So it's typical Just try to get as much of it in there as we can. It's difficult to get out there. Alright, we're trying. I don't know what this is exactly, but it's like it's juicy. It's like a piece of meat. So what I usually do is I'll dip it in to get that last little bit out of it, and then that cleans it up a little bit. Anyway, there's the garbage isn't around, so here's this. We're gonna put this in there. It's a lot easier. Just kind of easy. And there's the powder. Put the powder in there. Boom, 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 boom. All right. So then, this is the tricky part. You don't eat it right away, obviously. You kind of mix it a little bit. At least that's what I do. I mix it a little bit, just a little bit, not a lot. And then I use the fork actually, and I go just like that. And that way the lid stays on, and it kind of forces it in there. There we go. And now I'm gonna leave it there for 3 or 4 minutes. And we're back. Let's see how these come out. Look at that. Nice. You stir them up a little bit. Good hot water there. That water that they have here is used for tea or soup, bucket noodles like these. You see, it's pretty common. If you go on trains in China, you better have some bucket noodles, or else you're not really doing trains right. You know what I'm saying? Tastes just like bucket noodles. I think I use too much water, a little bit maybe. I don't often fill it all the way to the top, but it's not so flavorful right now. I don't know why. I don't know why. Let me mix it up a little more. Maybe try to get some of that little meat in there. I don't know what that meat is. I mean, I'm gonna be honest with you. Is it probably beef? Dried beef of some sort? I don't know. Whatever. Now, if you want to go all in Chinese style, you slurp these mofos. There you go. You lift it up like that. Let me get this camera angle right. You lift it up and you go. Not bad, right? But I don't know what that is. I have no clue. Egg or tofu or something. Whatever. Maybe shrimp. Maybe shrimp actually. It's kind of a shrimpy flavor to it. I tend to go in the middle. I don't do the full Chinese style where you slurp, but I do lift it up, and then I just bring it in without. You don't have to slurp most. You know what I mean? You can suck in the noodles without. That's hot. Anyway, so just wanted to let you know, when you come to China, when you get on a train, eat your bucket noodles. I'm almost to Suzhou now. I'll be there in just a few minutes, and so that's it. That's the train ride. What'd you think? Would you take a train when you're in China? I think you should. It's convenient, it's easy, it's cheap. Yeah, there's little things you got to deal with, but it's not so bad. But it's relaxing, and it's good because you can see out the window the whole time, and generally you see things that are unique. If you haven't already, go ahead and like this video. Also, if you'd like to become a member of the Fu family and I bring you all over China, make sure to subscribe to the channel.